Uh,
The question is find the condition for the curve Lx plus My equal to 1 of the circle. Circle has center origin 0 comma 0 and radius some small a. Okay, and draw a circle. And here the right angle triangle with the curve. Suppose we can draw the right angle triangle at the origin. At the origin means here the right angle triangle. The curve equation is, this is the curve. This is the AB. AB curve, that curve is a straight line. The line equation is Lx plus My is equal to 1. And the circle equation is x square plus y square equal to a square. It has origin as a center and a is the radius. Okay, this is a and this is a. Now we can calculate the condition for the line and circle at the origin, which is a right angle triangle. We know that the angle in between of two lines, that is cos theta equal to a plus b by under root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. When theta equal to right angle means 90 degrees, that 90 degrees in between of the two angles, that is 90 degrees. So cos 90 is, we know that 0. The cos 90 is 0 means the condition is here, the term is 0, we get the relation is a plus b equal to 0. When it is, if the equation is a homogeneous equation, first, the given curve or circle equation can be reduced to homogeneous by the line equation Lx plus My equal to 1. Okay. For that, first we can take, given that the curved equation is Lx plus My equal to 1, let it be equation 1. And circle equation is x square plus y square equal to a square. It is equation 2. Now, the line, let the line, that is the straight line, equation 1, which can be meets the given curve in A and B points as shown in figure. Okay. Next, if O is the origin and the combined of OA and OB equations is obtained by homogeneous, by reduction of the homogeneous equation, homogeneous equation 1 with the help of this equation 2 with the help of equation 1. So that is x square plus y square equal to a square. It can be taken to left side, x square plus y square minus a square. A square is a constant that should be multiplied with the 1 square. Since from equation 1, Lx plus My is equal to 1. Now we can substitute that is in the reduction of the homogeneous of the given curve, that is x square plus y square minus a square into Lx plus My whole square equal to 0. X square plus y square minus a square into L square x square plus 2lmxy plus m square y square equal to 0. L, x square is taking common, 1 minus a square L square plus y square is taking common, or write the xy term minus 2a square lmxy plus y square is common, 1 minus a square m square equal to 0, which is in the form of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. It is clearly homogeneous equation. It is the homogeneous. Personal. It is clearly homogeneous equation. Now we can find the condition for the right angle. To find condition for the equation 1 and 2 at right angle. So that is nothing but a plus b equal to 0. Why? Because theta equal to 90 degrees means cos theta equal to cos 90 degrees, it should be 0. So from this, coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to, taking 0 relation, we get the condition. What is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square is 1 minus a square m square plus coefficient of y square is 1 minus a square m square equal to 0. 1 plus 1 is 2 equal to a square l square plus a square m square. A square is taking common, L square plus M square. Therefore, A square into L square plus M square equal to 2 is the condition of the making angle in between of the two lines, that which is the right angle, that is OA and OB. These two lines are combined in the homogeneous equation. In that, it makes the 90 degrees means what is the relation or what is the condition. It is the solution. Second problem, find the condition. Here also they are asking about the condition for the lines joining the origin at the points of intersection of the circle x square plus y square equal to a square and the line lx plus my equal to 1 to coincide. What both lines are coincide, what is the relation? Here coincide means their angle is 0 degrees. 0 degrees means it's 1. The condition for the coincident means the relation is a plus b is equal to h square. AB equal to h square, not a plus b. AB equal to h square. Coincident relation is AB equal to h square, and the right angle relation is a plus b equal to 0. And if any angle theta is there, then cos theta equal to capital A plus B by under root of A minus B whole square plus 4h square. Okay. Here, by simplification of coincident means if theta equal to 0 degrees, then cos 0 is 1, A plus B is equal to under root of A minus B whole square plus 4h square. Squaring on both sides, a square plus b square plus 2ab equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 4h square. A square, b square get cancelled. It is taking to left side, that is 4ab is equal to 4h square. Then 4 get cancelled. The relation we are getting ab equal to h square. Just to coincident means indirectly they have given 0 theta equal to 0 degrees. From that we get the relation AB equal to h square. This is for homogeneous equation. First, the given curve, that is nothing but given line and curve equation, whatever the curve, either it is circle or any curve. By the two curve and line, the curve can be reduced to homogeneizing. That is nothing but reduced to homogeneous equation with the help of the line equation. Okay, that is the main thing. If the given curve is reduced to homogeneous, which can be expressed as ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. From that, we can apply in the condition of the coincident means AB equal to h square. Okay, that is the relation for the coincident. Further, first we can take what they have given the curve and line. Given that the circle equation is x square plus y square equal to a square, let it be equation 1, and the line lx plus my equal to 1, it is equation 2. And the line and the two lines joining at the origin to the points of the intersection of the circle, that is the two lines joining the origin to the points of intersection of the circle, equation 1, with the help of equation 1 can be reduced to homogeneous with the help of equation 2. Then that is x square plus y square equal to a square. From this, x square plus y square minus a square into 1 square equal to 0. Here 1 is nothing but lx plus my is equal to 1. We can substitute x square plus y square minus a square into lx plus my whole square equal to 0. Same like the previous problem, x square plus y square minus a square into l square x square plus 2lmxy plus m square y square equal to 0. Here x square is taking common. We get 1 minus a square m square, sorry, a square l square minus 2a square lmxy plus 1 minus a square m square into y square equal to 0. It is third equation, which is in the form of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. It is clearly homogeneous equation. From this, the relation of the two lines OA and OB lines are coincident. Those lines are coincident means the relation is h square equal to capital AB or small h square equal to small a. Here h is nothing but 2h is nothing but minus 2a square lm. A is equal to 1 minus a square l square, b equal to 1 minus a square m square. Product 2h means here 2 get cancelled. H is minus a square lm whole square is equal to 1 minus a square m square into a 1 minus a square l square. Product it 1 into 1 1 minus a square l square minus a square m square minus into minus plus a to the power of 4 l square m square. Here minus into minus plus a to the power of 4 l square m square is equal to 1 minus a square is taking common l square plus m square plus a to the power of 4 m square l square. These two are get cancelled. That is nothing but taking to left side it becomes 0. 1 minus a square l into l square plus m square equal to 0. This term is taking to right side 1 equal to a square into l square plus m square. This is the condition for the two lines are coincident which are meets at the origin.